Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have a digital kit I wanted to share with you all, and this is from Luisa at My Crafty Boutique here on YouTube and on Facebook. Now I shared with you all a previous kit that she had created, and it was a New Year, New You digital kit that she had created herself, drawings and everything, and is selling on her Zibbit shop. So the reason I'm saying this is because that was my tryout for her design team, and nobody knew how many designers that she was going to pick or how many creators she was going to pick to make her design team, but there were several of us, and I was chosen as one of them. So here we are. This is her new kit for January 2020, and this is called the Ballerina digital kit, and this comes with one silhouette cut file, and that is for this right here, and then 8 JPEG files, which is the cut aparts, and then the background pages. So if you guys could all see, there we go. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 background pages, and she has 6 cut aparts that she created herself, and then she has the ephemera, the cut apart ephemeras. I keep calling this a cut apart, but this is a they call it like journaling cards. Okay, so this is the silhouette cut file, but you know, if you have other machines, I believe the Cricut, any of those Cricuts, you could cut out her journaling cards and the cut aparts. Okay, so she sells them online. You purchase it through her Zibbit shop, and then you download it onto your computer, and then you print it out. So there's no printouts that she sells, hard printouts. It's just all digital. Okay, and I'm going to share with you now what they look like. And here are the journaling cards, and she's got 6 little pictures here. She has the unicorn, a ballerina, and a bunny, and she had created a little handheld mirror, some ballerina slippers, and a castle. Now everything on here is her drawing except for the florals. I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see. These are digital files that she has purchased for her shop that she could use and resell. Okay, and so she adds it into her creations, and it just looks so adorable. Look at that, so cute. She's wearing a sash and a crown. So that is one. I'm going to show you the difference. I printed them on cardstock, but I put this one on best quality after I had printed this one. This was our first one, my first printout, and you could see the color difference. Not very bright. This is the normal print, and this is the best quality print. So when you figure out your settings on your printer, you'll know how to play with them. And then here are the ephemera that she created, and you could resize these and make them bigger or smaller and use them however you want to use them. Okay, so that is the one right there. And then with this 6-piece, I only printed out the bunny, the ballerina, the unicorn, okay, and the castle. So this is what I did. I printed them, I edit them in my software on my computer so that I could just crop each individual one, and I printed them as a 5x7 card in my printing options. So that's what the ballerina looks like. You can see how big she is right there, the size difference. And then here is the castle. You see the big size and the little one. This is her normal size that it comes as is in the kit, and then I just cropped it, and then I made them bigger on my printer options. All right, I hope that was clear as mud. Anyway, here are the backgrounds that I wanted to share with you all, and I printed all of these on cardstock because the color quality is so much better than on just regular printer paper. And I also put these all on best print options, and you can see how she used the digital florals in combination with her drawings, and they look beautiful. And I can't wait to get started on these on my project. Here are the ballerina slippers, and she put a sash, or a, what are these called, bouquet with the slippers. And then she has the unicorn on the cloud with the castle with the clouds, and I thought on a baby blue background. Thought that was very pretty. And here she has some florals, the digital florals, and what she did was she put her drawing of the bow onto the bouquet, so she combined them together. So that is gorgeous on, I want to say, like a mint, soft mint green. Look at that. Can't wait. And then here she just used the digital florals with a peach background, and that was all she did to these. It's so pretty. And then the last one she has is like a damask background with the bouquets. And I could see them, excuse me, I could see these being cut out with like a punch or fussy cut out, you know, really cute. So that is her kit. And now I'm going to, what do you call this? Now I want to go in and add some, maybe like some glossy accents to parts of them, or some stickles. These are the stickles that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. This was a set of 3. And so was the glossy accent. This was purchased separately. So I was interested in using these and getting some on my projects. And hopefully you all will join me. I think I'm going to do also another project using the New Year, New You kit, because that kit is so beautiful. I'm going to create a project with the ballerina, and I'm also going to do one with the New Year, New You. This is the New Year, New You kit, just as a reminder. Okay? And you can purchase both kits in her Zibbit shop. So this one has a whole lot more ephemera and cut aparts. As you can see, it comes with 2 of the ephemeras, and this is just 1 sheet of the journaling cards. But she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also, 6 backgrounds on this kit. Okay, so give it a, I'll try to add the link down in the description box, and I hope you all go check her out. It's very affordable and they're very fun to use. And you know, as of right now, the hottest thing going are ballerinas, unicorns, bunnies, and florals, pastel florals. So can't go wrong with either one of these kits. So I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.